Hey! This is Rose.
This is Lydia.
I got a text message from Brittany. I'm texting people because it's fun. Don't you think texting's fun?
My phone's broken. It's like
Ooh.
snapped.
So hold on. Let's see if I can put my... Oh!
That's her being a fatty.
A t-shirt on.
Who's saying I should wear mascara right now?
What? Talk, girls. Talk.
I think I should wear mascara right now because my eyes are...
Oh, cramp in the leg again.
Look at these.
Oh, these are our best friend. What they're called? Glasses.
Friends.
I have pink ones.
And our other friends have white and one has blue. But mine are purple.
I'm hot. Rose thinks she wishes she was me.